Hey everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI Flux Image Generator. Let's get started. First up, you want to search AI Flux in Google. After opening, you want to type your prompt. You can type anything that you want to be put in your photo. After typing, you want to choose your image dimensions. After choosing your image dimensions, you can now create your image. After creating, the website will ask you to open your email account. Proceed with opening your email account. After opening your email account, you can then get your image generated.